everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guides. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your WeChat messages and data to your new phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the WeChat app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the WeChat app and you can see on the bottom of your screen there are 4 options: Chat, Contact, Discover and Me. Tap on Me, then go to Settings. Once you select Settings, you have to go to General. Under General, you have to scroll down and find the Chat History, Migration and Backup. Tap that and tap on Migration. Once you do that, you can see there are 2 options: Migrate to PC and Migrate to another mobile phone or tablet. You have to select Migrate to another phone or tablet and begin. And guys, that's it. That's how you transfer WeChat messages and data to your new phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.